Hey there, creative minds. Are you looking for the perfect design tool that won't break the bank? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the world of the best free Canva alternatives. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, these tools will unleash your creativity without costing you a dime. First up on our list is Designer. This web-based design tool offers a wide range of templates for social media posts, presentations, and more. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, you can easily customize designs to suit your style. Designer's extensive library of free images and graphics makes it a go-to choice for many designers. Plus, it's cloud-based, so you can access your projects from anywhere with an internet connection. Next, we have Crello. Similar to Canva, Crello offers thousands of templates for various design needs, from social media graphics to marketing materials. One standout feature is its animated designs, perfect for grabbing your audience's attention. Crello's user-friendly interface and powerful editing tools make it a top contender in the world of free design software. And did I mention it's free to use? Last but certainly not least, we have Vector. If you're more into vector-based designs, Vector is the tool for you. This powerful software allows you to create stunning illustrations and graphics with ease. Vector's collaborative features make it perfect for teams, allowing multiple users to work on the same project in real time. Plus, it's available on both desktop and mobile devices, so you can design on the go. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're a professional designer or just looking to spruce up your social media profiles, these free Canva alternatives have got you covered. So why wait? Start creating stunning designs today without spending a penny. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.